Hi, this is 2410 Southern Oak Drive. We have an open house today from 3 to 5 p.m. today. You're welcome to join us to see this beautiful home. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. Beautiful home. So let's go in and take a look. Beautiful entryway. And here we go. Very nice hardwood floors. Beautiful living. And here's the kitchen. Storage space. We have a storage space. And dining area. So it's quite spacious. And we come out here. Quite large living space. And here are the rooms. So we have one bedroom here, and we have another in here, right there. And we have the master bedroom. Very nice and cozy in here. And right here is the bathroom. It has a large walk-in closet. Has a large walk-in closet. And we can go out to see the balcony, which is beautiful, where you can just sit outdoors. That's the washer and the dryer. And nice brick fireplace. And nice outdoor space. So you can just get to relax, tucked in a quiet neighborhood, get to relax and enjoy the day. So here is 2410 Southern Oak Drive. We welcome you to join us at the open house today, Sunday, 3 to 5 p.m. Thank you.